Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we show you a custom EPS cutting line that we have proposed. Let's looking from left to right. We mainly divide the EPS cutting line into 8 main stations, which are: first station, vertical storage station. Vertical storage station can store about 4 to 5 pieces of EPS blocks. Second station, hydraulic tilter. Station, hydraulic tiler station, flips the vertically placed EPS blocks to a horizontal state. Third station, EPS block chasing and alignment station. EPS block chasing and alignment station aligns the EPS block and quickly sends them to the cutting station. Fourth station, horizontal cutting station. Horizontal cutting station cuts the EPS bock according to the required thickness, quickly adjusts the wire thickness and cuts into sheets through an automatic wire setting device. Fifth station, vertical cutting station. Vertical cutting station. You can choose to hang up left and right wires to remove the excess block skin on both sides, or you can hang multiple wires based on real cutting orders. Sixth station, cross-cutting station. Cross-cutting station cuts the EPS boards into the required length. Seventh station, destacker station. Destacker station divides 1 meter or 1.2 meter EPS boards to the packing height, usually 500 or 600 mm. Eighth station, four-side EPS packaging machine. Four-side EPS packaging machine. Automatic wrapping the cutted EPS boards with PE film. Optional. Top waste recycling system. Bottom waste recycling system. You can choose whether to equip top and bottom waste recycling system according to your needs to improve work efficiency, reduce labor intensity, and keep the site clean. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.